Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a portable Windows 11 24H2 USB on-the-go drive. With this USB, you can use Windows 11 on any PC or laptop without installing it. Just plug in the USB drive, restart the system, and boot from it to use Windows 11 instantly. To create this on-the-go portable USB, first you need to download the required OS from the official website. Here I checked the official Microsoft website for 24H2 bootable ISO, but now the latest version 25H2 is available only. If you want any older Windows OS, go to the Internet Archive website and search for it. From here, you can download the 24H2 older version's ISO file. Download the ISO file from there. After completing the download process, the second step is to install Rufus software. Links are given in the Viso description. Install and launch Rufus and connect a pen drive of at least 8 GB or 16 GB of free space, depending on the size of the ISO file. Then format the pen drive to the NTFS file system. Then return to Rufus and upload the bootable ISO file by clicking the Select button. Browse and find the ISO and upload it. Then change the image option to Windows to Go mode. This mode helps you to use Windows 11 without installing it. Leave the other settings as default. And click Start to create the bootable disk. Right here, select the version you want to use with this pen drive. Here, I select Windows 11 Pro. Click OK and select the user experience options. Disable the first option if you want to access the internal hard disks of the PC that you use the Windows 11 OTG pen drive. Click OK to start creating the USB disk. Please wait until it finishes. After completing, connect this pen drive to any PC. Then restart that system and boot from that drive to use it without installing. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.